Company with 2 subsidiaries, good clientele, and strong order book. RMC Switchgears Ltd, an electrical solutions provider. Company has more than 30 years of experience in manufacturing meter boxes, distribution boxes, junction boxes, feeder pillars, and other products for the power sector, and has reached a production capacity of 3 lakh units per annum for meter box this year. The company was incorporated in 1994 and got public in 2017. They are based in Jaipur with more than 400 employees. Company has one manufacturing plant located in Jaipur, encompassing an area of 8 lakh square feet and production capacity of 10,000 metric tons per annum with 80% capacity utilization, and aims to increase its production capacity to 15,000 metric tons per annum by Q4 of 2025. The market cap of the company is 1,084 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,052 rupees per share. The company has a 68% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 231% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has incorporated 2 subsidiaries this year to venture into water IoT solutions and solar solutions and holds 51% stakes in both. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. Company serves clients from both PSU and private sector, with revenue concentration of 100% from domestic. Some clients of the company are Adani, Larsen & Toubro, GMR, Polycab, GAIL, NTPC, Maharashtra State Power Generation, Jodhpur Vidyut Vitran Nigam, Genus Power, and more. Company has secured many contracts, with a strong order book of Rs 850 crores as of H1 of 2025, with 54% of the orders from solar projects, 32% from electrical projects, and 14% from others. With a strong order book, and by foraying into new segments, company aims to achieve 5x growth by fiscal year 2030. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.